Researchers are finding more and more evidence suggesting music lessons are critical to the development of absolute pitch. Genetic tendency towards absolute pitch in the Asian population, Jurgen says that the type and timing of music lessons probably explains much of the difference. Kangaroos are now cursed more than dingoes. They have become the rivals of sheep, competing for water and grass. Park officials, who recognize that the fence is to blame, respond to the excess of kangaroos by saying the fence is there, and we have to live with it. The UK Parliament has closed down its TikTok account after MPs raised concerns about the risk of data being passed to the Chinese government. The account has been locked and content deleted, days after its launch. Senior MPs and peers had called for the account to be removed until TikTok gave credible assurances no data could be handed to China. TikTok is owned by Chinese company ByteDance, which has denied it was controlled by the Chinese government. At first, post offices used red ink to cancel stamps so that they could not be used again. But the ink could be removed. When in 1842, it was determined that black ink would be more robust, the color of the penny black became a sort of browny red, but Hill's brainchild had made its mark.
The employee is forced into resigning by an employer who tries to make significant changes to the original contract. This could mean an employee might have to work night shifts after originally signing on for day work, or he could be made to work in dangerous conditions.
The person appointed will carry out a range of tasks, including ensuring all raw food items are fresh, preparing vegetables to be cooked, making sure frozen food products are used in rotation, and throwing away any food products that are near or have passed their expiry date.
It is easier to understand why the ecotourism market has become so overcrowded when we look at its wider role in the world economy. According to World Tourism Organization figures, ecotourism is worth United States $20 billion a year and makes up 1/5 of all international tourism.
Many people enjoy looking at vividly colored flowers and the butterflies that visit them throughout the summer months, but few of us think about what the butterflies perceive. A few evolutionary scientists have pondered this topic and discovered a probable and, if true, startling relationship between the evolution of color vision in butterflies and humans via study.